Right, okay guys. It's raining. It's raining heavily. And today's my only day I can vlog. So I'm not going to whip it out as much. So hopefully it goes well. Well enough. You can see what I'm doing. Today's video is of course the Paisley walking trail. We have that instead of the Paisley walking trail street art. We've actually got a Paisley walking trail, well, not street art. Can you tell I've just woke up? Well, off we go. This is the trail that I'm doing. This walking trail map highlights some must-see visitor destinations. This is everything that we're doing today. We're not doing it in this order, we're doing it in mine.
Thomas Coates Memorial Church. Built by the family of Thomas Coates after his death, the majestic Victorian neo-Gothic structure was initially budgeted at $20,000. But by the time it was completed in 1894, coast odds soared to an estimated $110,000, over 6 million tare. Take a look around and you will see why. While you're there, see if you can spot the single example of where the Paisley pattern motif was incorporated into the design. Paisley Museum and Art Gallery. Discover the museum's internationally significant collection of Paisley shawls and ceramics. Visit the Loom Gallery to find out how the town became famous for its Paisley pattern. Other highlights include an internationally recognized textile, art, and natural history collection. Who knows when it will be open again at this point? Coates Observatory. Come along to one of the free guided tours at Scotland's oldest public observatory. It holds a vast range of telescopes for year-round stargazing, as well as a state-of-the-art planetarium. Elkshaw Trinity Church. Located on the highest point of Paisley's townscape, the church was formerly Paisley High Parish Church. Architect John White designed the building, which dates back to 1764. Legend has it that after a stonemason fell to his death during construction, his workmates carved the outline of handkerchief and spectacles into the cobbles where he fell as a tribute. Rivers everywhere. Paisley Town Hall. Located in the historic center of the town, this grand 19th century building is still a vital part of the town's beating heart and hosts concerts, events, and conferences. Paisley Abbey, an essential stop on the trail and the jewel in the town's crown. The Abbey is cradle of one of the most enduring royal dynasties, the Stuarts. Take a free guided tour of the imposing 12th century building. See if you can spot the gargoyle that has been modeled to look like one of the monsters of the film Alien. It's thought to be the handiwork of a cheeky stonemason during refurbishment work. Admire the stonework of the rare 10th century Baroccan Celtic cross. There's also a cafe, gift shop, and exhibition area. St. Mirren's Cathedral. Designed by Thomas Baird in 1932, the spectacular neo-Romanesque building became a cathedral in 1948. Named after the patron saint of Paisley, it's the mother church of the Catholic Diocese of the town. Threadmill Museum. Explore the social and industrial heritage of the Paisley and Renfrewshire thread mills. Through photographs, mill machinery, samples of products, and sewing artifacts, You can also find out more about the Coates family. Anchor Mill, Paisley's last surviving spinning mill, which played a key role in the global cotton industry. A restoration project saw the magnificent listed building secured for the future by turning it into a stunning place to live. It's also a great photo opportunity on the trail.
Gonna head behind, so about there-ish. There's another side, and
St. Matthew's Church, built in 1906 and designed by William Daniel McLennan, the stunning listed building of national importance, was once described as the most significant Art Nouveau church in Europe.
I'll go that way. Still St. Matthew's Church. Did you remember that? We came from a bit like in the corner, and then the next bit.
Russell Institute. This category listed Art Deco building was donated by Miss Agnes Russell to the women and children of Paisley on the 19th of March 1927. The former health center was restored and reopened in early 2017 and is now used as a skills and employability hub. The Institute marked its 90th anniversary in 2017. So the reopening of the building is just one reason to celebrate this iconic local landmark. Don't miss the opportunity to capture photos of the building's ornate statues. Paisley Arts Center. Take a self-led tour of the center and discover the history of the silk merchants and manufacturers buried within the grounds. Plan to take in a show to the center hosts a year-round program of drama, dance, comedy, music, and family events. The cafe bar is a great place to pick up a pre-show drink or lunchtime nibble.
Jam jar.
Smashot Cottages. Come and see how people lived in the two distinct periods in Paisley's weaving history. The Weaver's Cottage shows what life was like 250 years ago for the artisans, with the original weaving looms in place. The complex also houses the residence of a foreman of a nearby mill from the mid-19th century.
Why is it got to be raining? Well, we're finished the Paisley Trail. Time to go home and take this jacket off.